How to verify your Bumble profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your Bumble profile. So first of all, open the Bumble app and let's say you have not already verified your profile. As soon as you open the app, it will take you to this page where you'll have to verify your Bumble profile. So all you have to do to verify your profile is simply take a photo in this position shown right over here by placing your hand on top of your head. This may seem a little funny, but this is the only way on how you can verify your Bumble profile. So let me do that real quick. So simply tap on the option, take my photo, and then it will open up my front camera. So simply take the photo in the given position. Now once you've taken the photo on the same pose, all you have to do is simply tap on the option submit, and then they will receive your photo, and then your photo will be reviewed shortly. And as soon as they are finished reviewing your photo, you will be verified on Bumble. And there you have it. As you can see, I've already been verified to Bumble. So tap on the option let's go, and there you have it. That is basically how you verify your profile on Bumble. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.